Okay, so we got the situation. Let theta belongs to this 0 to 90. So theta is belonging to 0 to pi by 2, both excluded. If the eccentricity of the hyperbola this, so hyperbola is x square by cos square theta minus y square by sin square theta equals to 1. So it is horizontal hyperbola, correct? Is greater, acha, this is not 10, this is then greater than 2. So eccentricity is greater than 2. So can I say that eccentricity square will be greater than 4? Then the length of its latus rectum in the interval. So you have to find out length of latus rectum. So first proceed. Like they are saying that eccentricity is greater than 2. So first find out the eccentricity. You know that it is horizontal hyperbola. So we will take help of horizontal ellipse where it is 1 minus e square. A is bigger, so A will stay inside. So here A is cos. So cos square theta upon sin square theta means B square will stay there. But you know that it is relationship of eccentricity ellipse, not hyperbola. So we have to replace B square with minus B square, correct? Can I divide both side by cos square? So it will become tan square theta 1 minus E square. So E square will become what? 1 plus tan square theta, correct? So can I say that like eccentricity square was greater than 4? So can I say that 1 plus tan square theta will be greater than 4? Tan square theta will be greater than 3. Tan theta will be greater than root 3, correct or wrong? And root 3 comes at 60 degree. So can I say that theta will belong to pi by 3 to pi by 2, both excluded, okay, because we cannot go beyond pi by 2. Now let's proceed. We have to find out the range of latus rectum, okay. So what is the length of latus rectum? Suppose it is x square by a square minus y square by b square equals to 1. So you know that latus rectum means it's a chord passing through foci perpendicular to axis of the parabola. So can I say that, like I'm talking about foci, so AE comma 0, okay. So in place of x I will substitute AE, so it will become E square minus y square by b square equals to 1. So it is E square minus 1 and then y square and then b square, correct? Now do you remember what is E square minus 1 in hyperbola? E square, like try to recall that relationship. It is horizontal, so we will have a square 1 minus e square equals to b square, correct? Now look at this and minus that side, so b square a square e square minus 1. So 1 minus e square will become what? B square by a square y square. Now you will take root, so you will have b square by a, correct? It is plus or minus. So look at this, this is your y coordinate. So can I say that length will be length of latus rectum will be 2 times y coordinate, b square by a. So 2 is 2, who is b? B is sin theta. So sin square theta upon Who is A? A is, sorry, sin theta. A is cos theta. Correct? Now, now look at this. Acha, it is b square. So b square is sin square. So can I write this thing as 2 times 1 minus cos square theta by cos theta? Or can I say that it is, I'll use this space. Can I say that it is 2 times sec theta minus cos theta? Correct or wrong? Now you know that you have to move along this, means theta is 60 degree to 90 degree. So LR belongs to, suppose that theta is 60 degree. So who is cos 60? Sorry, sec 60. So sec 60 is reciprocal of cos 60. Correct? Now look at this. So it was what? 2. First cos 60 is 1 by 2 and this is 2. So can I say that it is 4 minus 1, 3. 3 by 2, 2, 2 gone. So it is 3. So minimum is 3. We cannot reach pi by 3. It's open bracket. So open at pi by 3. At 90, sec will go to infinity. So infinity minus anything is infinity. So latus rectum, length of latus rectum will range from 3 to infinity. I hope the idea is clear.